to pakiintindi. Pakisaksak sa kukote. Wala akong pakialam!
And this is the very common thing na nangyayari during infidelity. Walang pakialam yung partner nila doon sa nararamdaman ng partner nila dahil nga most likely sila lang dapat yung may say sa relasyon. This is Pinoy Extreme and pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng infidelity sa relasyon, lalo na pag walang pakialam yung kabilang partner. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
She's not younger than me, she's not skinnier than me, and she's not prettier than me. Then why couldn't it just be me?
Now, these are the question usually asked or thrown the moment na ma-discover yung infidelity. Anong mali sa akin? And usually, what we throw at our partners are yung mga bagay na hindi naman importante or hindi naman yung rason kung bakit nila nagawa yung infidelity. And bakit nga ba hindi nila masabi yun before pa nila magawa yung infidelity na yun? Because wala ngang pakialam yung partner nila sa feelings nila. As long as ako yung nasusunod, as long as I feel good about myself, I do not care about what you feel. And that's the reality of most relationships right now. They only care about their partner's answer the moment na malaman na nila na they've done something wrong at ikaka-break ng relationship. And you know what's worse there? Hindi ka agad masasabi yung totoo dahil nga paano ka magsasabi ng totoo dun sa partner mo kung wala akong pakialam? 'Di ba? If the truth will just be punished, paano ka magsasabi ng totoo dun sa ganong klaseng tao? If the truth that only matters is yung sa kanila, how?
She's softer than you. She's quieter than you. She doesn't yell at me. She doesn't call me an idiot or tell me to shut up all the time. She listens to me. She's nice to me. She doesn't make me feel like the only thing stopping her from being happy is me.
Masyado na tayong nalunod sa pansariling kaligayahan natin na hindi na natin iniintindi yung partner natin. Truth is as ugly as a monster, but it will also help your relationship to know what is really happening, and that so you could adjust kung anong pwede nyong gawin para hindi kayo mapunta doon sa sitwasyon na kung saan kailangan nyong lokohin yung isa't isa. But truth has a price. Kailangan nyong magbayad ng kapalit. Sabi nga doon sa Full Metal Alchemist, equivalent exchange. Kailangan nyong magbayad ng acceptance and understanding. Ang tanong na lang is kung willing ba kayong tanggapin yung monster that is hiding behind your partner's smile. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.